am Sharmila Bokle. I am caregiver of Indumati Surve, who is my mom. She is 91 years old, and we got caretaker from Healthy Wrinkles within 24 hours of time. So actually, I am very much thankful to them because the caretaker is very good, and we got at a reasonable rate also within a very short time, and the services are reliable because we found her to be very useful, and she is experienced and very good. So I must be thankful to Healthy Wrinkles for giving us such a good caretaker in such a short period of time at reasonable rates. Thank you, Healthy Wrinkles. I will tell my mom also to say a few words. आई काही बोलू शकतेस का?
इंग्लिशमध्ये
हा, कोणत्याही भाषेत बोल.
मला जी केअरटेकर मिळाली ती खूप चांगली आहे आणि ती रिलायबल आहे, सिन्सिअर आहे, वेळोवेळी नियमितपणे औषध वगैरे देते. त्यामुळे मी हेल्दी रिंकर्सचे थँकफुल आहे.
थँक्यू.